Wireless HDMI KVM extender WE200. Transmit HDMI and USB signals via wireless Wi-Fi. Supports up to 200 meters in open areas. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Hongmeng, and other systems. Support 1 send 1 receive, support 1 send 4 receive. Support local loop-out display. Sender interface description, reset button, power indicator light, connection indicator light, data transmission indicator light, mode button, mode 1 indicator light, mode 2 indicator light, power switch, power interface, HDMI output interface, HDMI input interface, audio input interface, infrared output interface, USB interface, antenna interface. Receiver interface description, reset button, power indicator light, connection indicator light, data transmission indicator light, mode button, mode 1 indicator light, mode 2 indicator light, power switch, power interface, HDMI output interface, audio output interface, infrared input interface, USB interface, antenna interface. Standard accessories, 1 sender, 1 receiver, 2 pairs of antennas, 1 infrared receiver cable, 1 infrared sender cable, 1 USB cable, 2 power adapters, sender connection, connect to computer host HDMI, connect to host USB, connect to local loop-out display, connect infrared sender cable, connect antenna, connect power supply, turn on power, receiver connection, connect display, connect infrared receiver cable, connect speakers, connect keyboard, connect mouse, connect antenna, connect power supply, turn on power,